Welcome to another Four Seasons addition to somebody's awesome home. Today we get the pleasure of doing an interior kitchen remodel. So come and join us and let me show you what this is all about. All right guys, so I'm gonna share a little bit of the magic that's gonna happen in this project. Welcome to this kitchen. Needing a little love, but that's what we do. We build a dream, we make it happen. So what we got going on is some really cool renderings from CB Designs, making up some incredible design features that's gonna really highlight this kitchen incredibly. Enjoy the process.
So today we got a kitchen remodel. So as you can see by all these pictures on the wall, what we're gonna do here is completely gut this kitchen and remodel the whole thing. This whole floor is coming up. We're gonna get a brand new floor, brand new cabinets, a kitchen island. Also, this floor is gonna go all the way through this back hallway. So it's gonna be a complete remodel. This whole kitchen and whole entryway is gonna be completely different. So stay tuned, this is gonna be a pretty cool kitchen remodel. So this is what it looks like as soon as our demo process is all complete. We got everything taken down, we got it out of here, ready for our subcontractors to come through here, get all this taken care of. Then after that, we'll start putting this thing back together.